to the interview real quick. I'm only gonna ask one question, right?
Okay, cool.
What's up, Evans?
What's going on, man?
Nothing much, man. I got one question for you.
What's up?
What sound does your gun make?
My gun?
Yeah.
I don't have a gun.
But like, if you had a gun, what sound would it make? Thank you.
Alright.
What sound does your gun make?
Damn, I messed it up.
What sound does your gun make?
Bro, we're not doing this.
What sound does it make?
It doesn't make anything. Chris already asked me this.
What sound does it make?
It doesn't make anything. Why do y'all do this to me?
What sound does your gun make? What? If you had a metaphorical gun, what sound would it make?
Bang.
Christian, what sound does your gun make?
I'm sorry?
What sound does your gun make?
Bang! Bang! What sound does your gun make?
Boo 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 boo! Boop, 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 boop.
And you are now entering the era of the beast.